Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Eva, a mortgage professional talking all things finance. So you've probably clicked on this video wanting to know my secret formula to saving thousands of pounds on your current mortgage, right? Well, let me share it with you. But before I do, it's not actually a secret formula. It's easier than you think and it's actually more achievable than you think. So I'm going to base this whole video on my own mortgage just so I can show you guys how it actually works in practice. So make sure you watch till the end to actually see the results and how much I can potentially save. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. If you currently have a mortgage, it's very likely that it's on a fixed term rate, either 2, 3 or 5 years. My mortgage is currently on a 5-year fix, which is actually up for renewal in January. Now, most mortgages out there do allow you to make overpayments up to 10% of the outstanding mortgage balance every single year, but hardly any of us actually utilise that. Now, when it comes to my own mortgage, unfortunately, because of the provider that I'm with, I'm not actually able to make any overpayments, so I can't actually utilise this secret formula just yet. However, as soon as I move providers, trust me, I'll be using it as well. So as you've probably guessed, the secret formula here is overpayments, but not just any overpayments. You know, you don't have to be overpaying by hundreds and hundreds of pounds, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in a minute. So let's firstly go over how you can set this up. So how can you set your overpayments up to come out on a regular basis? Now, if you haven't yet watched my previous video on how to repay your mortgage early, I highly encourage you to do that as it explains everything in a lot more detail. However, the short of it is, all you need to do is either set up a standing order or a direct debit with your current provider. So some lenders will actually allow you to set up a standing order that goes straight into your mortgage account, but some lenders will take those overpayments via direct debit. So all you need to do is just instruct them. So what I would recommend you do is just contact your lender to find out what their procedure actually is. But it really is as simple as that. So let's talk a little bit about the maths of it. So as I said, I'm basing this video on my own mortgage and using that as an example. So my current monthly mortgage payment is £313. Now, what would happen if I actually increase that to £400 per month, which is only £87 more, and in the grand scheme of things isn't actually that much. So surely you're probably sat there thinking it ain't gonna make that much difference, but let me show you. So my current outstanding term is around 30 years and 6 months, as my original mortgage was actually on a 35-year term, and my current interest rate is 2.3%. So assuming the interest rate doesn't actually change throughout the mortgage, which let's face it, it will, because every time you remortgage you're most likely going to get a bit of a lower rate, but assuming that it stays at the 2.3% and assuming that I'm going to increase my repayments to £400 per month, so literally just paying £87 extra a month, I could save £9,800 in interest. So that's almost 10 grand saved in interest just by overpaying by £87 per month. So you can see there, the graph just kind of shows you how it works and what the difference actually is. Now, what's even better is the fact that I could have my mortgage repaid in full in 22 years, saving 8 years and 6 months off my mortgage. So not only am I saving almost 10 grand in interest, I'm also saving 8 years off my mortgage. So I'm going to repay my mortgage a lot quicker. And if that isn't an incentive, I don't know what is. And as I keep saying, guys, it's all down to paying an extra £87 per month. So what I want you to do now is to take your mortgage repayment, so whether it's £450, £515, whatever it may be, and try and round it up to the next full figure. So if it's 515, round it up to 600. If it's 725, round it up to 800, etc, etc. You catch the drift, right? And set that up as a regular repayment. Now, I will pop a link in the description box down below to the calculator that I actually use, just if you want to calculate how much difference that would make to your mortgage based on your own repayment. But honestly, guys, I cannot recommend this enough. It's definitely worth doing, as ultimately you're saving so much money. So with that being said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you found it useful, and I really do hope I've given you something to think about, as it's honestly definitely worth doing, and I will definitely be implementing that as soon as I can. So if you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below for more mortgage and finance content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys back on Friday with a brand new video. Bye guys. Oh my god. So let's firstly, so all we